video, we're going to make some delicious homemade white bread. I'm going to start off with hot water, a package of quick rise yeast. I'm going to put that in the warm water. Okay, and you're going to have 2 teaspoons of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and we're going to, this will activate the yeast. So mix that up until it's all dissolved. So mix and mix and mix it. I love to mix, mix it, mix and mix it. Okay, anyways, we're gonna take this baby, make a little hole, a little well in the center. Okay, move that out of the way. And it's very easy. Just pour this in. Really easy bread to make. Okay, make sure you're gonna go. Okay, now slowly mix, because the flour is going to go all over the place if we don't go slow. And let's get kneading. Yeah, bolt. Better not say that one. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little bit of that extra flour on the board so it doesn't stick. Just a little bit. And what happens is you're going to knead this for a good 5 minutes at least. And I go really rough with this. Right now it's a little bit sticky. If it's too sticky, just add more flour. And if it's too, let's say too thick, then you can add a little bit of water to it. But right now this is on the thin side, so this is good. It's gonna be really good. Keep going on it. So when I'm kneading it, I'd like to have a little fun with my dough. So I keep banging it and be really rough with it. And if it's sticky again, add a little more flour. Keep banging it. Now this is a really good recipe. I get my grandson sometimes to cook with me. He does a good job. Okay. I washed out the same bowl, saves on dishes, and I'm going to put a little bit of cooking spray in the bowl, just all over, so the dough when it rises will slide up. Okay, and then I'll put this nice beautiful dough down here, flatten it out, spray a little bit more, and I'm going to put the cling foil plastic wrap all done. All right, I'm gonna go like this and this, and we're gonna put it in a warm spot, and we'll set the timer for about an hour. It's got to double in size, but for me, an hour seems to work good. And as you can see, it rose really nicely, about doubled in size, okay? So the next thing we're gonna do is remove it from the bowl and just gradually get some of the air out of here. I'm also gonna put a little more flour, because it's kind of sticky at this point, on the board. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to slice, cut this in half. Okay, so I've taken out and put it as even as I can in half, and I'll do one at a time. But we're going to do the same thing for both pieces, so I'll just show you one. We're going to take it and kind of roll it and stretch it out long. Okay. Like this, about this size. Okay, now we're gonna place it right on the parchment and the baking sheet. Okay, I'm just gonna take a sharp knife And just put some slices along both breads. Okay. And now we're going to take a cloth, a clean cloth, and cover it over top. And again, it's got to rise for about 45 minutes till it's double in size. Okay, I let it rise 45 minutes to an hour, and it looks beautiful, just like this. Now what we need to do is crack an egg, and I always separate the egg in one container and the other so that I get no eggshells. Okay, and I'm gonna put it over here. Now, I take the egg white, I'm gonna give it a wash. Now you could put a little water with it, but I don't like it that way. I noticed that it makes a nice crispy crust if I just spread the egg white just by itself, not with the water in it, like an egg wash. Okay, I'm gonna come over here. Okay, I make this bread a lot. I mean, the family loves it. So let's get this done. All right, now we're almost done. This is going to go in the oven. I have to preset the oven for 425 with a pan of hot water on the lower shelf because it likes to steam. And then you're gonna put in it and put it at 425 for about 5 minutes. Then you're gonna lower the temperature to 375. And as soon as it's done, I'll show you what they look like. Well, the bread is fresh out of the oven and it looks pretty good. So anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you shortly. Bye for now.